Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then I'm Vipra Patil and I make videos related beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Today I'm creating this festive look on the occasion of Dussehra. It's a full tutorial from entire makeup to dress up, so please continue watching. So let's begin with the tutorial. For my skincare, I'm starting with Gotukula Ginseng Exfoliator Facial Serum from Just Herbs. This hydrates and brightens the skin naturally. Massage gently with upward strokes till it is fully absorbed into the skin. Applying Leap Sleeping Mask from Laneige. Applying primer from Becca Cosmetics. It's First Light Priming Filter. This has lavender tint, so it's kinda correcting primer. I so wanted to try this primer as I've heard so good about this product. Becca Cosmetics are now available online on Nykaa. Going on with an orange color corrector from LA Girl to eliminate the discoloration and dark circles. With the flat concealer brush, just dabbing it to spread it evenly and now taking the damp beauty blender to blend it well. Followed by NYX HD Photogenic Concealer in the shade Medium, I'm going to build up a coverage in the under eye area. It's easy to blend this concealer with a sponge or a brush or even with fingers. It does not crease or fades as the day progresses. Followed by foundation using Smashbox Studio Skin 15-hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. It's my current favorite. If you have watched my earlier videos, then must have noticed the same by now. I'm in the shade 2.35. This is a long wear foundation and I choose to go with the same as this gonna sustain in this humid weather. Dotting with foundation brush, this is by Real Technique, on the entire face and neck area and then blending it over for an even finish. Dabbing the loose powder, this is by Naysho, with my Real Technique beauty sponge on the areas that tend to get oily so that creasing can be avoided. Coming to the eyes, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Petra palette. I absolutely love this palette. The color selection is awesome and the quality is incredible. The colors are well pigmented and they blend very beautifully. I'm gonna use the berry shades from this palette. Started with a soft nude shade, taking on a fluffy brush, applying it all over the crease to create the transition. Now I'm taking the MAC 217 brush, started applying the matte mauve berry shade on the outer corners and slowly building the shade up to 2/3 part of the eyelids, up to the crease area. Doing the same on the other eye as well. Now picking up the shimmery shade from the same color family, applying it on the remaining part of the lids with a flat brush. Picking that nude pink shade and going into the crease to blend both the colors well so that there are no harsh edges left. Picking the darker shade and blending it on the lower lash line. Lining this purple eye pencil on the lower lash line to kinda just get a hint of the shade. This pencil is from L'Oreal. I shall list the details of the product in the description box below. Adding the hint of shimmery shade on the inner corners to kinda open up the eyes. Taking the loose powder on the fluffy brush and kinda setting up the base properly and taking off any fallouts. Using bronzer from Shiseido to my usual areas where I need shadows onto my cheekbones, jawline and bridge of the nose. For blush, I'm using very natural looking peach shade. This blush is by Givenchy. Coming to my brows, using HD eyeshadow and eyebrow palette, picking the shade medium brown. I'm just first brushing up my hair and then filling the gaps to intensify them. Brushing it again to give it a feathery look. I just need to look my brows filler. Setting it with Nykaa Brow Mascara. Finishing my eye makeup. Curling the lashes and applying mascara by Kiko Milano. This is a top coat lengthening mascara. As I'm going to apply the falsies for the required drama, so not going with the heavy mascara. This one separates the lashes so well and gives long looking lashes instantly. I'm now spraying the setting spray. I'm doing this before applying the highlighter as I want my highlighter to pop in today for this festive glam. It's a little highlighter hack that you can try with any powder highlighters. Coming to the highlighter, taking this most selling and popular highlighter by Becca Cosmetics in the shade Champagne Pop. I don't really hold options of good highlighters in my vanity, so I had to get my hands on these as they were launched. I have purchased the mini and it's priced at MRP 1500 for 2.4 grams of the product. This shall go a long way as usage is in the small amount, so I feel it's a decent investment. I'm taking a fluffy brush, this is by Real Technique, and applying it on my cheekbones. You can see the glow in the single swipe. Oh my god, I'm totally happy with my purchase. Going on the brow bones, bridge of the nose and cupid's bow, and little bit on my collarbones as well. Completing my makeup look with the lips, lining and filling the lips with Nykaa lip pencil in the shade Dirty Secret, topped with MAC lipstick in the shade Mare, and hint of shine with Nykaa gloss in the shade Honey Boo. So that's my finished makeup look, and now let's start with the dress up. I have picked up my yellow studded Georgette sari to drape it in a different way. To add that twist, I'm pairing it as a pant sari. So I'm wearing my cream pants and this floral blouse. Taking the sari, keeping the pallu aside, start making pleats from the other side. Secure with a pin, as I was short on the pins, but pin shall help you to carry this better. Tuck it on the one side of your pants, and now taking the pallu, just drape it normally the way you carry your sari pallu regularly. You can keep this pallu open or pleat it if you like. I have added a pearl kamar patta for this extra touch and matching earrings and a nose pin to finish off on an accessory front. Tied my hair in a messy bun. And that's the finished look. I hope you all loved this fusion look. Gave this traditional Maharashtrian look a modern twist. You can carry this look for any upcoming occasions. It's simple, easy to carry and gives new avatar to your earlier worn saris. Do try this, and if you do it, don't forget to tag me on the social media. I have left my handles in the description box below so that I can see your versions as well. Please share your thoughts in the comments below, like this video and please subscribe to my channel. I'm wishing you all a very happy and prosperous Dussehra. Do enjoy your festivals, but don't forget to take the necessary precautions. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and stay gorgeous.